Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, children. See, yesterday, earlier classes, we have seen closure property for numbers, okay? That is rational numbers. Now, see, like, let us say, for all these properties like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, that is for natural number 1. It is for addition, yes, it is closed. That is for every number a, comma b, which belongs to rational number. Then any operation a plus b also belongs to q. That is likewise for division, etc. So natural numbers is closed under closure property, it is closed under addition, and for subtraction it is no, for multiplication it is yes, for division it is no. Likewise whole numbers yes, for subtraction no, for multiplication yes, for division no. Likewise integers, that is plus, minus, 1, 2, 3, it is for addition yes, for subtraction yes, for multiplication yes, for division no. Likewise whole rational numbers, for addition yes, for subtraction yes, for multiplication yes, for division no. So this is quick review of closure property for whole numbers and rest of the natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers. Now let us come to commutative property. See, commutative property for addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Now what is commutative property? See, commutative property means, let us say, take two numbers a, b, for their operation. Let us say the operation is addition. A plus b is equal to b plus a. Then the numbers are said to be a, comma b are said to be commutative. Likewise for operation, let us say a and b, a into b is equal to, if we interchange the numbers, or if we interchange a's place if we keep b and b's place if we keep a, then it is, if the result is not changed, then it is said to be commutative. Like a into b is equal to b into a. Now let us go to some examples, that is whole numbers ke examples. Let us say, see, let us take some whole numbers and remarks. See, this is the set which is there for start initially. So now operations are plus, minus, into, division, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Now let us take addition ka example. Now 2 plus 3, 2 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 2, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. It is all the same. So answer is not changing. Hence addition is commutative. Addition of whole numbers is commutative under addition. Whole numbers is commutative. Now 3 minus 2 is equal to 1, whereas 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 1. So minus 1 is not equal to, when you interchange a के जगह पे b रखे तो you will not get. So minus 1 is not equal to 1. Subtraction is not commutative under addition of whole numbers. Okay. Now let us come to multiplication. 3 into 2 is equal to 2 into 3. 3 into 2 is 6. 2 into 3 is 6. So it is not at all, result is not changing. Hence it is yes, it is commutative. Now division में, see, 4 divided by 2 is equal to, 4 divided by 2 is 4 by 2 is 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Likewise, if you interchange, 2 divided by 4 is half. 2 is not equal to half. Hence, for whole numbers, division is not commutative. See, 2 are not commutative. Subtraction is not commutative, and this is not. Now let us come to integers. Integers, let us say integers, you add integers, it is all the same, whole numbers के वैसे ही. Integers is commutative, yes. Subtraction is like यहाँ करें ना, ये same example. Subtraction 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 1, 3 minus 2 is equal to 1, and hence the result is changing, and hence it is not commutative, it is not equal. Is it clear? Now multiplication, division, 3 minus 1 is equal to 3 into minus 1 is equal to minus 1 into 3. Hence, the result here it is 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. Minus 1 into minus 3 is minus 3. So, result is not changing. So, multiplication of integers is commutative. Now, it's clear. Now, division. Division of integers, as we have seen here also, it is not commutative. Like earlier, यहाँ देखे ना उसी तरह. Now rational numbers. See, rational numbers में addition. See, let us take two rational numbers, 5 by 2 minus 3 by 4. 5 by 2 plus minus 3 by 4 is, when you take LCM here, See, it becomes 4 is the LCM. Now 2 2s are 4. Then 5 2s are 10. Then 4 1s are 4 and minus 3. 10 minus 3 is 7 by 4. Now reverse it. Reverse the operation. Let us say minus 3 by 4 plus 5 by 2. It is LCM here is 4 and here it is minus 3 and here 4 ka 2 5 are 10 plus 10 and it is equal to 7 by 4. So hence the result 7 by 4 is not changing when you interchange the is 3 by 4 this side a plus b के जगह b के जगह a इसके जगह a और इसके जगह a रख के ऐड करो तो it is not changing. Hence rational numbers addition is commutative. Whereas see, you take example subtraction में subtraction 1 by 2 minus 3 by 5. 1 by 2 minus 3 by 5 is, see, 5 2s are 10 is the LCM for this. Then 5, okay, then 2 na. So 2 5s are 5 3s are minus 15. 5 minus 15, it is nothing but minus 10 by 10 is equal to minus 1. Let us say interchange it. Now 3 by 5 के जगह see 3 by 5 1 by 5. Let us change. Now 5 2s are 10 LCM. 9 3 2s are 6. Then 2 5s are minus 5 is equal to 1 by 10. See, 1 by 10 is not equal to minus 1. When you interchange 3 by 2 के जगह 1 by 2 1 by 2 के जगह 3 by 2 रख के exchange करें तो we got here minus 1 here 1 by 10. Hence subtraction of rational numbers is not commutative. Is it clear? Now multiplication 2 by 3 2 by 5 2 into minus 5 by 7 is equal to how much? This side 5 2s are 10, that is minus 10 by 7. Here 5 into, if you interchange minus 5 into 7 by 2, it is nothing but 5 2s are 10, that is minus 10 by 7. Hence multiplication is commutative. Multiplication of what is that? Rational numbers is commutative. Now division 7 by 3 divided by 14 by 9. See, 7 by 3 divided by 14 by 9 will give you 7 by 3 into, see here I will write, see 7 by 3 into 9 by 14. So 14 3 is 30, 10, 50, 2, 7 9s are 56. So our 7 9s are 63. 63 by 52. Now let us say interchange it. 14 by 9 could divided by this we will do. 14 by 9 we will divide by, see, 14 by 9 into 3 by 7. 9 7s are, it is reverse of it. 14 by 9 divided by 7 by 3 is, see, 9 7s are how much? 63. And for this LCM is, see, 9 7s are 53. 14 3s are, it is 30 and 12. 42. So 30 and 42. Here also 42. So, but see, 63 by 42 is not equal to 42 by 63. So it is reversed. So hence division of rational numbers is not commutative. Is it clear? So now I'll give you some table, you fill up that, or give some exercise afterwards, you fill up that and complete it, children. See, there is a table at the end of rational numbers ka. So complete the following. Is it whole natural numbers express? Complete that. So today's property is closure property. See, in general, so what do you understand? See, A, B numbers are there. If you do any operation, A plus B is equal to B plus A raha, to the result does not change, or A into B is equal to B into A raha, so result does not change. A and B is said to be commutative. Is it clear? Thank you, children.